Hey yo, what's really good, people? Welcome back to back at me. Good. We have a good angle of this 2000. This 2007 Honda Accord. Alright, 2.4. You see it, 2.4, and you heard that clicking sound, right? Every time you try to start the car, you hear the clicking sound. Well, guess what that is? Exactly, that's the starter. Alright, we're gonna do the starter real quick. I'm gonna show you how to do it like a pro. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. Alright, do that. I know you guys tired about, this guy keeps saying hit the subscribe button, this and that. I don't know, it's just muscle memory. I gotta repeat it all the time. I don't even know why. Man, because I want you to support the channel. Okay? So, yeah, do that. We have the battery over there. We're gonna disconnect the battery. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Let me turn off this fan because it's kind of loud though. You need to hear this. Can you hear me? Axtuo Tupac. There's more radio around here. I don't need no copyright. What's that thing? So, yeah, I'm gonna do the battery. And, oh, fuck. Excuse my French. I'll be back. Now it's recording. Okay. Just gonna do the battery real quick. What does it say? No, I have 44 minutes. 10mm. We're just gonna do the negative terminal like that. Just put it to the side. Okay. Then 210s over here. Let me give you a better angle again. There you go. Way better, right? Alright. Let me get my gun. Get the gun. And I don't know where's the gun. Someone stole my gun. Oh no, I have it here. How you gonna say someone stole your gun, Stool? Don't play like that, go. It's bottom of the morning. $10mm. Hit this bolts right here. This over here. Enough. Ooh, beauty, beauty, beauty. Put that to the side. Okay. We're gonna do this because we're gonna remove all this. Alright, next this hose right here. It's like a mini. Or you can just use the screwdriver. Alright. I got some light for you. I'm gonna lose this. Just like a star, Phillips screwdriver. Okay. I probably don't want to do the whole thing though. But I think it's gonna do it. I'm gonna use a lot of WD-40 here. There's no cuts in here, right? I'm gonna show you straightforward what's popping. There. I don't like working this low because it fuck with your lower back. So I'm gonna have to like improvise. Not this. Don't remove this. Just from here, okay? Here, again, the star, Phillips screwdriver. Like, this is why I like Honda, because there we go, there's one. Let's just put it like that, okay? And then, there we go. Alright, put that in the back, right there, let chill there. Now, I guess I gotta bring you over here though, so you can have a better picture. Right there, better. Alright. So now we're gonna do the EVAP canister hose, which is this. And then the brake booster vacuum hose, which is this. Alright. You don't need to though, but I do it. I spray some WD-40 just to make it easier. So you can slide that those strands. We're gonna do the harness too. We're gonna do this harness and the water bypass hoses, which are this. So the water. Let me give you a light. Being stingy here, Axtuo. Right there, better. This hose is right here. Bypass hoses, okay. Yo, if you see me in the camera, don't be afraid, okay? That was the way I was born. So don't be afraid. It's not my fault. I was born this. I was born like this. All these ones. I think I need a better grip so I can twist this. Might as well just bring it down. This clamp is a little bit stupid. Okay, let's see if I can. Now I need better pliers so I can grab them. So is this or this? Those are for the hoses. It works, right? Shit. Yeah, right. So this harness. What else? The bypass water probably gonna leak a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna leak some coolant. Some blue coolant coming out. Put your bucket underneath so you don't make a mess. So we do that. We do this. This hardness right here. Even just my left hand. I'm gonna pinch it. There we go. Just squeeze it here. Come out. We got that. This too. IAC center. Put that one. A little bit here in this connector because I don't like to break them, even though I know a hack. Once you break it, I know a hack with a zip tie. I'm gonna disconnect this. Right here, 10 millimeter. If I'm not tripping. Hope you can hear me. Okay. Do it by hand. Yeah, good. Alright. Here's a clip. And a clip just here. There's another 10mm right here. Alright. It's loose. Here, guys. Now here. Can you see it from here? I guess I'm gonna take it to that side now. I guess it's Gucci now. I'm gonna remove this hose. This little hose here. Okay. This hose right here. It's getting kind of hot in here. Yeah. Oops. I need a better. Okay. Now it's loose. There you go. One. Good. This little one over here. A little struggle right there. Okay. Yeah, I pop this. Okay. Doing good. We're doing good, cuz. So right here we have 3 bolts and 2 nuts. 1 bolt here, bolt here, 2 nuts. Alright. Can you guess what size? Let's guess. Do you say 12? If you say 12, yeah, you're the winner. You said 12. I'll pick up the price. Price 12. Deep socket. Maybe with a little extension. Let's start with this. Oops. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one over here. 5. Now we're just gonna, since we're gonna lazy here, we're gonna use the electric one, electric ratchet. One, 2, they're the same size. 3 over here. Right there in the corner. Right there in the corner. Okay. Same size. Now the nuts. We're gonna catch that nut. Pulse. The other nut. Super mega pulse. What we got now? I think that should be it for this. So 9 holes. Oh, here. There's a clip over here. Now to and with a needle plier. Or let's see this guy. Now you just gotta find the right tool for that. Can't be bending like this all the time. Not good. Or you know what? Just hit it here. Fuck it. Hit it with the 10mm instead of fucking around with it. Playing like that with you, cool. It's free. What else we got? This goes over here. Something is holding on. Something is holding it. There's a sensor here. Yeah. WD-40. Okay. Hello. So right here, you remember the connector I was telling you? Right under this is a bolt, and well, thinking about hitting it. Because I'm gonna have to lift it. The other option is loosen that bracket. Shut up. There's a bracket. We'll see. We'll see. I was gonna give you the best way. Alright, the easiest way. Okay. Once I pull out this, I'm gonna show you where it was. Okay. There it comes. Pause. It's a gasket. Alright. Hopefully, let me take this shit off. You see it. You see the valves. This is the bracket right here. See this guy right here? That's gonna be a 12 millimeter. Alright. This is my sensor remover, or my connector, or whatever. It's pretty useful. There you go. This is the fucker I was telling you. Okay. This is the intake manifold. Alright. What a design, Honda. What a design, Honda. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side. The more I work on these cars, the more I'm still thinking about if I should get one. What I'm trying to say is that I wouldn't like to work on this type of designs. Now let me show you here the starter. Okay, let me give you a better angle. There it is. We have this thing. We gotta pop this, disconnect this underneath this. There's the bolt. I mean the nut. Yeah, guys. Even that is a pain in the ass. I'm glad I don't have to remove this. Shit, that looks like the thermostat. Wow. So yeah, let me set up the camera so I'll show you how I'm doing. Alright. Alright. So this is it. We're gonna spray a lot of WD-40 here. I really don't want to work with my right hand. But we're almost there. So, oops, sorry. This is the best angle I can give you, alright? I guess, unless I put it right here in front of me. Yeah, because I'm gonna be. Yep, I think I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know. We'll see. I want to try to do the best, alright? Not to block the view. Okay, here we go. Let's pop this. You just see there. I think you can. See, 1 second. Right there. Disconnect this one. There you go. I think I'm gonna use a wrench here. No way. Let me give you a hold up. How's that now? Better? You back in business? Okay. Oh, this one right here. It's gonna be 12. I'm using the double box. It's a little bit extended here, right? That's what I'm using. Okay. Let me get that. Let me use my left hand. Put that to the side. That guy, I'm gonna push it down. Can't see if it's down. I don't see that. Yeah, I gotta push it down. Push it down and pull it. Okay. Now I have this one right here. Let me give you a better angle though, because I don't think you got the whole action. Right there. Perfect. So this one at the bottom look like a. We want to try 17. Yep, that's 17. Here at the bottom. This one right here. No. Here's the other one. This one right here. See it? This one. Yeah, this one right here. That maybe 14. Maybe 15. Yeah, 14. There you go. Alright. So 17 at the bottom, 14 on top. Let's get it. There you go. Give you the light right there. Before I remove it, I want to break loose the one at the bottom with the 17 millimeter socket. Break it loose. Probably gonna need a deep socket. Yeah. 17 deep socket, 3/8. Uh-oh. I might need some extra leverage there. Hopefully, I don't break the bolt in there. I don't think so. It doesn't look that rusty. I don't see it rusty. Maybe it's just dry. Okay. There you go. Fucking hoses. Get on my way. There you go. What are these signs with Honda, huh? WD-40. Yeah. PB. PB. I'll be back. I don't want to hold you here. I'm gonna have to bring the big guns. No joke. Impact 3/8. Now I gotta do the 14 over there in the back. 14's being a bitch lately. You can do it like this, or with the electric ratchet maybe. And by hand. Pretty much just working by hand. Sorry for blocking the view though, but can't do it with my right hand. This is my left hand right here. I'm almost done. A few more turns. I'll show you the bolt, how it looks like. Pause. Here it comes. Alright. Here it comes. Gotta hit it with a hammer now? Sheesh. Let's see. tell it's coming now. I saw it crack. Just need a better hammer. And a better chisel too. I don't have a chisel here with me now. There you go. Piece of shit. All this work just for this bastard. Thumbnail. Let me show you the new one. Let me give you the part number. Oops. Hold on. Drop this. Honda. This is a new starter. 17960. This is the part number. You ready? Ta-da! Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Right there. I'll give you a better thumbnail now. Right there. Just make sure it's the same as the other one. Now we're gonna put this back the same way we'll remove it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you a little bit how I put it back, and then I'm gonna leave it right there. Alright, we're putting the new one in. Let me remove this 12mm. This 12mm right here. Okay. Alright, here it goes. And hopefully this is the right part though. There you go. Okay, good. I'm sorry if I can show you better. But yeah, just put it back. I'm saying the same way you remove it, you just install it. Alright? The installment procedure goes in reverse. So this is pretty much it. Alright? I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. As soon as I see it, I'm gonna reply. Subscribe to the channel, do that since you're watching this for free. Other than that, you see the heart right below this this video, right where it says thanks. That's for you to click on it. Alright, show your love by contributing to the channel. You know what I'm saying? All your support goes towards better equipment, so I can give you better angles. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do though. Alright. if I'm not back by the time I start the car, I just leave it right here. Alright, that's all you gotta do. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy Axtuo. Boom. I'm out. Yeah.